That looks bad, Parker, but go ahead. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh no, you can't go that way. That. Woo. Good. Oh shoot. Oh, did you?
There you go.
There it is. Nice.
Yeah, different angle last time.
Yeah, we came a little further this way.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, we just got looking around.
Oh yeah.
That's all we're doing. I still went for a swim. I like it.
That thing's
We
nice.
like to watch everybody else get dirty.
Oh, I'm kind of the same way. Where are you gonna take us, Parker? Shit. Oh, damn it. Damn it. What's up? I'll let you go first if you want. Where? Okay, I'll follow y'all. I'll follow you. What's up?
I was like, I just realized who y'all were. He said, you dilly. I said, you're the smoke ass up there. He said, where's Shorty? I was say, what gave it away?
Yeah, no shit. Pull up a little bit. All right. Hell yeah. Let's go, Parker! There it is. What's up? What's up? Hold on.
We're not going that way.
What's up?
You want to go that way?
I might try to go through here a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, this is the swamp trail. You remember this one? The swamp trail?
That looks like a Jeep over there.
Yeah. Pull up over here. Pull up over here a little bit. Whoa. All right, all right. How you doing, sir? Nice to meet you. Oh, he's going all the way. I guess we're going that way? I guess so. What? Okay. Oh.
I felt like just walk across there again.
That was kind of fun. That was kind of fun.
Dude, you were up the whole time.
Really? Hey, you might have to get it from my camera now. I'm gonna go back.
I got it. I know it's recording.
Yeah.
Park it. You got to take it out of four-wheel drive. When you want to do a water wheelie, you got to take it out of four-wheel drive.
No, I can do it in four-wheel drive. It has a
So, yeah. You don't need the dip lock. It's all hard. Watch out. Oh!
Not as smooth as the last one, but
No, the last one was...
Do it one more time.
one more time.
Yeah, it's inside.
Dude, that last
a real pretty one on here. You're coming
That last one was beautiful, dude.
God dang it. I don't have any back brakes on me. You good?
Is it recording? There it is. You don't weigh enough.
I'm sitting on the back bumper.
Watch double fish.
The problem is it's not an Arctic cat.
Pretty. That was pretty.
Next time.
That was pretty.
The damn side. God dang it. That was cool. Whoa.
The first time it had more water in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
And you were coming slower, and that sucker was
Yeah.
good.
Dude, the first time, it was like you leaned that way and it came up and it made the turn up on the
Yeah.
wheelie like that. It was perfect.
Oh
You know
man.
how to turn them in the air, right?
You're supposed to
The
lean the
opposite
opposite
side.
end, yeah. Let me change my battery out. How much battery I got?